Welcome back. You're watching Mizo Traditional Sunday Dress. Most boys like to see the natural beauty in a woman, and that is why they are not particularly fond of heavy makeup. Guys like sober girls and the ones who stick to simple nude shade makeup even when she does indulge in it. Although guys take it for granted that girls will be interested in shopping, they like women who also take an active interest in the happenings of the real world. This passion can be any type of hobbies such as that of singing, dancing, gardening, or a keen interest in politics and current affairs. Guys like to see girls who have a sense of respect for elders. By recognizing her family, a girl is speaking of the values that she has grown up with. The way she treats her immediate family is suggestive of her overall character and the way she will treat everyone else. Although most men like smart women, they have a unique attraction for women who act immature in front of them. Playing simply pranks and keeping herself engaged in carefree childish behavior is something that most guys find irresistible.